we want to have a reach back moment. Hey, this is the most awful part of my training pipeline. And if I can get through this, I can get through anything. That's what we expect for all of our pipelines before. We just try and do it all up front now, and I do think that was like, of the Induct did a ton of things right. Like the guys they have there, and you guys like, the Mr. Capobiancos, the Mr. Kilbrides, the guys who've been there forever, and you guys know and love, like they're masterminds of this stuff, and they do bring a ton of experience to the table. But that's ultimately, hey, we're trying to give them that moment that they can reach back and say, holy crap, that was insane. I was sleepy, hungry, sore, broken down, but I was still able to execute. We want them to have that. The other thing is yeah, come as physically fit as you want. It really doesn't matter. Like, fitness is your defense mechanism. And when we can remove that, now we get to see who that real person is. So who are you when you don't have your Tempur-Pedic mattress, all your, the chow hall, the stretching and all that stuff, and it's as raw as it can possibly get? Like, that's what we want to see. And I think that's like how I equate it to a lot of students. SWIC candidate course, that is your pre-deployment training. Like, you're going to go home, you're going to train, you're going to do all your stuff. You're going to be tired now. ANS, that's your deployment. That's the mission. Like, we take all those niceties of being able to take a knee and figure it out away, and we put you in intense environments. You're wet, cold, tired, hungry the entire time.